Hello, welcome to the annual meeting of Title I parents for Kate Shepherd Elementary. My name is Miss Gibbs and we're happy to have you here today. Why are we here? The Every Student Succeeds Act of 2015 requires that each Title I school hold an annual meeting of Title I parents for the purpose of informing you of your school's participation in Title I, explaining the requirements of Title I, and explaining your rights as parents to be involved. What we hope that you will learn after this presentation: what does it mean to be a Title I school? What is the 1% set aside for parent and family engagement? What is the LEA Title I Consolidated Plan? What is the LEA Parental and Family Engagement Policy? What is a CIP? What is the School Parent Compact? And how do I request the qualifications of my child's teachers? Also, what we hope that you'll learn: how is the annual evaluation of the Parent and Family Engagement Policy conducted? Evaluations need to target three key components: barriers, ability to assist learning, successful interactions. And at the end, how can I be involved in all of those things I'm learning about? So, what does it mean to be a Title I school? Being a Title I school means that we receive federal funding, Title I dollars, to supplement the school's existing programs. There are lots of things that we use these dollars for: identifying students experiencing academic difficulties, providing timely assistance to help those students meet the state's challenging content standards, purchasing supplemental staff programs, materials, and supplies, and conducting parent and family engagement meetings, trainings, and activities just like this. Being a Title I school also means parents and family involvement and knowing their rights under ESSA. At Kate Shepherd Elementary, some of the title funds that we received were used for a variety of things, including new library books and other library materials, COVID cleaning and disinfecting supplies, extended day tutoring, which we had groups that met in the morning and some that met in the afternoons. We had a fall tutoring session and a spring tutoring session, as well as an ACAP boot camp for our upper grades. We also had a summer literacy program. We had archery club, STEM club, choir. A large portion of our Title I funds were used for intervention by retired teachers, in which these retired teachers, who were skilled at their craft, pulled small groups of students and worked with them individually to build their skills. We also were fortunate to be able to use the title funds to purchase all the school supplies for students so that parents did not have to worry about a thing in sending their students back to school with supplies. Also, we have purchased communication folders and postage for documents. A big part of Title I means that parents' rights by law to be involved in decisions made at the school level and at the LEA level. The LEA level means more at the district level. What is the 1% set aside and how are parents involved? Any LEA with a Title I allocation exceeding $500,000 is required to by law to set aside 1% of its Title I allocation for parent and family engagement. Of that 1%, 10% may be reserved for the LEA for system-wide initiatives. The remaining 90% is allocated to the Title I schools in the district. Therefore, each Title I school receives its portion of the 90% to implement school-level parent and family engagement with clear expectation and objectives for meaningful involvement. For Kate Shepherd, our portion of the 90% of the 1% came out to be $3,655.39. You, as Title I parents, have the right to be involved in how this money is spent. What is the LEA Consolidated Plan? The LEA Title I Consolidated Plan addresses how the LEA will use Title I funds throughout the school system. These are for district-wide initiatives. Topics include student academic assessments, additional assistance provided through struggling students, coordination and integration of federal funds and programs. We have quite a variety of school programs that include migrant, preschool, EL, and homeless as applicable. Also, parent and family engagement strategies, which is included in the parent and family engagement policy. You, as a Title I parent, have the right to be involved in the development of the LEA Title I Consolidated Plan. This is the plan that happens at the district level, and they are always interested in parent input. What is the LEA Parent and Family Engagement Plan? This plan addresses how the LEA, at the district level, will implement the parent and family engagement requirements of the Every Student Succeeds Acts. It includes the LEA's expectations for parents and families, how the LEA will involve parents in decision-making, how the LEA will work to build schools and parents' capacity for strong parental involvement to improve student academic achievement. You, as Title I parents, have the right to be involved in the development of this plan. What is a CIP? The CIP is our school's continuous improvement plan. It includes a needs assessment and summary of data, goals and strategies to address academic needs of our students, professional development needs, coordination of resources in our comprehensive budget, and our school's parent and family engagement policy. You, as Title I parents, have the right to be involved in the development of this plan. The CIP plan is a working document. We'll work on it throughout the year, and we're always looking for ways that we can best improve our school and meet our students' needs. What's included in the school's parent and family engagement plan? This plan addresses how the school will implement the parent and family engagement requirements of Every Child Succeeds Acts of 2015. The components include how parents can be involved in decision-making activities, how parental and family engagement funds are being used, how information and training will be provided to parents, how the school will build capacity in parents and staff for strong parental and family engagement through evidence-based strategies. You, as Title I parents, have the right to be involved in the development of your school's parent engagement plan. What is a school parent compact? Now, this is something that you've all already seen. We do this at the beginning of each school year. The compact is a commitment from the school, the parent, and the student to share in the responsibility for improved academic achievement. You, as Title I parents, have the right to be involved in the development of the school parent compact. The school section must include the following 6 components. They are, number 1, provide high-quality curriculum and instruction. Number 2, hold parent-teacher conferences. Number 3, provide parents with reports on their child's progress. Number 4, provide parents reasonable access to staff. Number 5, provide parents opportunities to volunteer. Number 6, ensure regular two-way meaningful communication between family members and staff to the extent practicable in a language that family members can understand. The compact is distributed each year at the beginning of the school year, and it is evaluated at the end of the school year to make sure that the sections that the school, the parent, and the student, the commitments that they are making still are applicable to our situation and are serving our students the best way. How do I request the qualifications of my child's teachers? You, as Title I parents, have the right to request qualifications of your child's teachers. The great news is that all of the teachers at Kate Shepherd Elementary are highly qualified. You have the right to ask for the qualifications. There's a form that's available from Ms. Gibbs or Ms. Horton if you so desire. How is the evaluation of the LEA Parent and Family Engagement Policy conducted? So the LEA Parent and Family Engagement Policy is created at the district level. The LEAs and the schools actively outreach to parents and families, reaching beyond barriers of culture, language, disabilities, and poverty. It's conducted annually. It's with the Title I parents. They analyze content and effectiveness of the current plan. They identify barriers to parental and family engagement, and they have data and input, which could include parent surveys, focus groups, and parent advisory committees. This is typically done at the end of the school year, and they make any changes, so we'll be ready for the next year's plan. Who are the parent leaders at my school? If you have questions or concerns, these are the people that you would want to reach out to. First, we have Ms. Linscomb, the principal. Then we have Ms. Katina Horton, the assistant principal, and finally, Ms. Tiffany Gibbs, the Title I facilitator. Any and all questions can be directed to these ladies at any given time. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We greatly appreciate you spending the time learning about what it means to be a Title I school, and we appreciate the time and energy and effort that you put into making Kate Shepherd Elementary a great place for all of our students. Thank you so much.